In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use labels in Trello. Labels are an excellent way to keep your Trello boards organized, making it easier to categorize tasks, prioritize work, and enhance team collaboration. So, without further ado, let's dive into the process of creating and using labels in Trello. First things first, open your browser and head over to the Trello website. Simply type in trello.com and hit enter. If you're already familiar with the Trello interface, this part should be a breeze. When you're on the Trello homepage, look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see a login button. Click on it. This will take you to the login page where you'll have a few options to sign in. For a smooth and hassle-free login experience, I recommend using your Google account. Just click on the Google option and you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Once selected, you'll be logged into your Trello account. Easy, right? Now that you're logged in, navigate to the board you want to work on. You can do this by clicking on the relevant board from your dashboard, which is usually displayed prominently when you log in. Select the board and you'll see all the cards laid out according to how you've organized them. Next, click on the card you wish to add a label to. This opens up the detailed view of that card. On this detail view, you'll find various options to modify and enrich your card with more information. Look for the Labels button, which is usually denoted with a tag icon. Click on it. When the Labels menu appears, you'll see existing labels if there are any. To create a new one, simply start by typing the label's name in the text box. You can name your label anything that fits the task or category you want to organize, like urgent, pending review, or any other designation that makes sense for your workflow. After typing in the label name, go ahead and click on Create a New Label. This will bring up options to personalize your label further. One of the key features here is to choose a color for your label. The color coding helps you visually differentiate between tasks at a glance. Pick a color that makes sense and resonates with the context of your label. Finally, once you've named your label and chosen a color, click on the Create button. Congratulations, you've just created a new label in Trello. With these labels, your tasks are now beautifully organized, and your board is ready for optimal productivity. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your Trello experience even more seamless. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.